Is she crazy, Adi?
We can't go to a Goodwill now, huh? Did you check what time they were gonna close?
8 o'clock.
What time is it?
7:30.
30 minutes?
Oh yes.
We were at the other store for 30 minutes?
We get there. We're gonna be
the store for 30
closing in 2 minutes. It's like, Adi. Your sister's crazy. She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Toma. Oh, wait. Come on, Eddie. Toma.
Someone angry about being replaced?
Oh.
Absolutely not.
Oh.
Knowledge comes to those who are open to it, Agent. I knew Celia. There was no one else.
Oh, he's grabbing my face. Oh. Ow!
Don't do it so loud in her ear.
Ow? Ow, ow, Eddie? Ow, ow?
You're poking at him with wild conjecture.
Ah, it took me off. You get that?
Yes. Good job,
Addie.
Addie. She sneezed on your sister. What happened? What happened, Eddie? She sneezed all over me. Ay, Addie. You're such a brat.